Good evening, everyone. My name is Hannah Mansale, and this is my reflection for Lesson 2. Market segmentation and targeting and positioning offered prefer to us the STP model. So, what really stood out to me in this lesson is how business move from viewing the market as one big, messy group, so to something much more manageable. Market segmentation is essentially about finding those homogeneous groups, customers who actually share the same needs and want. So I found the requirements for effective segment that they must be identifiable and accessible to be the most critical takeaway. So it's not enough to just group people if you can't measure the differences or reach those groups through your marketing channels. The strategy won't work. It's all about precision over mass appeal. Yes, the purpose of this approach is clarify the marketing mix product like price, place, and promotion more efficient. Instead of throwing money at a genetic object, STP allows a firm to focus its resources on where they will actually be valued by narrowing the focus through targeting companies can possession. So, possession themselves, especially to solve a customer unique problem. So, overall, this lesson shifted my perspective on how brands stay confident. It's not about selling to everyone, it's about selling the right thing to the right group. Thank you.